What's all in your pockets? Anything crazy? I'm gonna pat him down real quick. So I don't read it.
Can I talk to him?
Say it again.
Can I talk to him?
We'll do all that in a minute. Okay. What's this right here?
Okay. I need to talk to him. I need to talk to him.
You can wait a minute. Okay. Let me talk. Let me tell you what's going on. All right. Just chill out. Wait a minute. I have a procedure that I have to do everything with. All right, I'm gonna read you something real quick. All right, look at me. No. Let me read this to you for a minute. All right. You have the right to remain silent. What I just read you? Okay. What? You understand why we're here today?
I just need to talk to him.
Okay. Talk to me. Tell me what's going on. You are?
I'm a student,
Okay.
and that guy, he is like, you are not like one of us, and you are like a stupid guy and all, and he's eating my money. I paid $50,000.
Okay.
I'm from like India, you know.
Yeah.
And like,
Very well.
he's,
I know where India is at.
so it's all about like he's not fucking me around, and like it's been 3 months he's been fucking me around. So it's all like this.
So what did you do in frustration? A little damage. Like what? Okay. How many aircraft did you damage? How much money value you think's on that? Come here with me. We'll grab your stuff.
Can you show us which aircraft so we know?
That's kind of where I don't know where.
I don't want there to be an aircraft that's damaged that we don't know
I
about.
have to take photos of everything.
Can I
Rolling,
talk to him?
Sarge. Relax. Okay. Relax. Rolling, read them. He said there's about 12 at about 1,000 apiece. Wow. Okay. I haven't taken pictures or anything. They just literally brought them up. I just wanted to send the team before we do anything else. So, okay. Sit with him while I.
Yeah. Can he show us all the airplanes? Because so that way we know.
Yeah.
And what will happen after?
So you're being placed under arrest for criminal vandalism.
And what will happen after that?
Okay, you will be placed under arrest. You'll be taken to the Martin County Jail. And then you're going to have a bond. I don't know what the bond's going to be. I'll be able to tell you then. And then you can bond out and do all that. And then you're going to ultimately be in charge for paying them back the money and stuff like that.
And like how much prison is?
How much what?
Prison time?
I don't know. You're going to be able to bond out right away once they get you booked in. And then
you're going to be able to go to court and everything like that. You're going to be able to go to court. Nobody knows what your jail time is going to be, if any. You don't know.
So where are we going to?
You may be able to work something out with them with paying and all
So
that.
I need to talk to him first.
Okay.
If it's
Listen to what we're saying. Handcuffs off. We're going to have to hurt you.
okay. What?
If I take these handcuffs off, are we going to have to hurt you?
Okay.
Are you
going to cooperate with us?
Okay.
No. It's a yes or no. Are you
Yes.
going to cooperate with us?
Yes.
I'll hold that.
Makes
Go to
it easy.
each one.
Yeah.
Listen, you run or you don't listen to a word we say, we're going to take you. It's going to hurt.
Is it possible to talk to him or like it's not?
We will in a second. We'll talk to him.
First, we want to see which airplanes because we don't want them to crash.
Okay.
So let's
Do you
start.
want to walk or take a car?
How far away are they?
They are all over the place.
Okay. Let's walk.
Yep. Show us which ones. You didn't do nothing to this one.
This is the.
You did damage this one. What did you do to this one? Yeah.
That's a little bit.
The other door was open.
Okay. Let's go to this side.
bent?
No, yeah.
Like you bent it, like you pulled it towards you?
You cannot pull inside like this. Then
What?
you cannot push it inside.
Oh, you can't push it inside. I see.
Listen, you got that passport? Let's send it to Jason.
That one too?
I have to see it.
As far as identifying them, it's going to be off that tail number, right?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you can, that's from the end model.
Is that what you did to the ones that's all the damage did? You were pulling the, you were bending the leverage back? It's good.
That one, that.
This one?
At that.
Huh?
245, like 2 CP.
Over here. Could it crash you?
No, you can directly sit in ground only. Like it's damaged.
All right, back up over there for me.
Sure.
Yeah, this was definitely bent. Yeah. Like that one's like all the way down. So, he said, what was the other one? Foxtrot? Was it one Foxtrot? Is that what he was saying?
Is it 3-1 Fox?
That one?
This one right here? So you said a 1,000 a plane?
Say again?
You said 1,000 a plane?
Well, like how much it costs?
Yeah.
I have no idea. I just fixed them, so I have no idea. That's the boss thing, you know.
That one, that one, that one, that one.
They all have them too?
We should probably just check and make sure.
Let me check this one real quick. Oh yeah.
That one too, the one.
Man.